A very good day to all the judges, lecturers and fellow friends. We are from STEM Foundation UMT to present about Bio-Tussle, a biology board game. This team consists of 7 people including Dr. Nur Aifa as our project leader. Biotessel is a biology board game that promotes group interaction. This game promotes group interaction because this is played together. A maximum of 4 people can play this game. This game cannot be played via online. Hence, live interaction is a must when this game is played. It is inspired by the movie Jumanji. The movie is based on Jumanji board. The movie was very famous among all age group and was definitely people's favorite. So, we decided to bring back Jumanji into real life. This game is also inspired from snake checker game that is very famous among children. The characters of the game is naturally made based on microorganism. The characters was made by clay, so they are not broken when the characters are dropped accidentally. Our board is inspired by snake checker board. We have changed it to biology concept. The ladder will be changed to double helix and the snake will be changed to virus. Our box is inspired by Jumanji box. There are actually 4 problems on why we came up with the idea of creating a board game. First, students are not interested in learning biology because it is complicated. Therefore, this board game increases students' interest in the subject as it is learned in a fun way. Second, students are not motivated to study biology. So by playing Bio-Tussle, motivation of STEM Foundation student increases. This is because when the students are able to answer the questions, automatically their self-confidence will boost up. Third, biology learning environment makes students feel boring because it is fully on understanding and studying. It is more difficult for students from non-science background. Therefore, Bio-Tussle overcomes this problem. Instead, will instill a positive attitude towards lesson despite their differences in the academic background. Last but not the least, students are not able to memorize biology key points during lecture. Hence, Bio-Tussle will encourage students to learn outside of class. We came up with this idea because during COVID-19 pandemic, our university didn't allow us to go out. At times, lectures, tutorial and lab sessions were all carried out via online. Students felt trapped in hostel and were having difficulty in coping with subjects. So, we decided to create a board game which includes live interaction that kills boredom but in a beneficial way. We chose biology because biology is one of the toughest subjects to score and understand. Therefore, we created this game so that this game helps to kill students' boredom, at the same time increase their knowledge in biology. Biotessel was created to attract students to have passion in learning biology. At the same time, learning in the form of games is easier to understand and remember. This is because the knowledge is not gained in a forced way but instead willingly. The competitive nature of a game will make the player more focused to understand the question to give the correct answer. This way, they will be more alert and pay attention. Automatically, the topic or questions will be remembered. Last but not the least, biology will be learned in a fun way. Most of the students have agreed that biology is quite challenging. This game has the potential and will definitely change their perception as biology will be learned in an exciting way. This is how we prepared our board and the box. We have included Bio-Tussle boarding game overview. The results on participant interest has shown that there is an increase of 350% within control group and there is an increase of 90% within experimental group. Through statistic analysis, within the groups, a significant increase in mean score of P lesser than 0.05 was seen using the Wilcoxon test. And between groups, a significant increase on mean score of P lesser than 0.05 was seen using the Mann-Whitney test. The green bar shows the post-test that were run and the yellow bar shows the pre-test before the game was introduced between the said groups. The total cost for this board game was 70 ringgit and 50 cent. We decided to sell this for 118 ringgit and 50 cent, which we will get a profit of 48 ringgit. Therefore, our net profit will be 68%. Bio-Tussle have targeted on marketing. We agreed that the targeted customers are lecturers. This is because Bio-Tussle can be used as learning alternative in a fun way. This avoids boring learning environment and Bio-Tussle can be played during tutorial session. Next, high school students, Form 4 and 5 are also our target customer. Biotessel can be used to strengthen their basics in biology. Students will be able to understand keywords and concepts better. Next, universities are also our target customer because this increases non-science students' interest in biology. The board game can be placed in libraries so that students can play during their free time. Last but not the least, parents are also our target customer because they can introduce their children to educational game. This helps them to distract online gaming. We also decided to sell our product to Toys R Us because Toys R Us have the largest range of toys, which includes educational toys. In conclusion, Bio-Tussle is an educational board game that can be played at any time, which kills someone's boredom, at the same time increases their knowledge and skill in biology. Here are the references that we used. The next video shows how Bio-Tussle was played by individual players.